Hello guys, this is angle grinder. See that lock right there? You have to press and hold, and then if you have original tools, that's how you're gonna use it. It is easy how to open it. If you don't have a tools, I will show you how to make one with a plexiglass. All you have to do is just mark that hole. You can use the screw machine like 832. That's the best size for that for the tools. You just have to tight those screws. Yeah, 8 size 832 screws is the best size. So this is the tools that I made. It works very well. That's a perfect size. 832 screws is a perfect size. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless everyone.